we're just tying on here, and so we want to tie on in small bundles, so about an inch or so in width. We're going to go over top of that warping stick. We're going to go around, come back up, and then we're going to do a slip or a surgeon's knot. So I'm going to put my finger in here, and I'm going to go around once, and I'm going to go around twice, and that's our surgeon's knot. So the reason I use surgeon's knots is because they're super easy to untie, and they don't slip, which means this is the only knot I need to do. I don't need to go back and tie another knot afterwards to hold it steady. And if I'm weaving and I realize that my tension is a little bit off, I can still tighten things up while I'm weaving. So until it gets rolled onto that front bar, I can still tighten up my warp or loosen a section if I need to. So one more time on the surgeon's knot here. I've gotten my tangles out. I'm going around, going over top of that warping stick. I'm coming underneath of it. I've split my bundle in half. It's coming up on either side. And then the slip knot. So I'm going to go through here once. I'm going to go through here a second time, and that's our slip knot.